Alright, this is just a quick video. I'm gonna make a plant bundle of from 3 Anubias plants, and I'm gonna be using these bullet weight lead weight rolls. They are available on Amazon. I know a lot of people are asking about how you weigh your plants down, and this is how we do it over here. Been doing it for years, no issues. You can actually put your plants together like this into one bundle and make it like a bigger plant, or make it look like a bigger plant. And then usually I just like to put the weight through the rhizome above. I don't know if you can see that. And then you can bend it down. Just be careful when you're bending the weight down. Let's see, it's kind of hard to do this on the camera, but you could go down and fold it over where the rhizome is. And then on the other side, you have this part right here. You could also fold that over. The thing is, like, it's very soft, so you can actually put the plant together without really making it too tight. And you see how it looks over there? This is gonna go inside the zebra pleco tank. Let me try to adjust it over here. I'm gonna include the Amazon link for the lead weight, so you guys can check it out. But oops, I didn't get the other one. And then the nice thing about it is you can move it around, and it'll just be in the tank. I want this one to be a little bit lower because the plecos usually just stay inside the caves and stuff, and I just wanted to give them somewhere to hide in. But these are like 1 pound rolls of lead, and this is what they look like.